Fun fact: science. Mixed bag. There are 62,000 miles of blood vessels in the human body. Laid end to end, they would circle the earth 2.5 times. The risk of being struck by a falling meteorite for a human is one occurrence every 9,300 years. A thimble full of neutron star would weigh about 100 million tons. A typical hurricane produces the energy equivalent of 8,001 megaton bulbs. We can produce laser light a million times brighter than sunshine. 65% of those with autism are left-handed. The oceans contain enough salt to cover all the continents to a depth of nearly 500 feet. The interstellar gas cloud Sagittarius B contains a billion liters of alcohol. Freighter is planning to move there in the near future. Polar bears are nearly undetectable by infrared cameras due to their transparent fur. The average person accidentally eats 430 bugs each year of his life. A single rye plant can spread up to 400 miles of roots underground. The evaporation from a large oak or beech tree is from 10 to 25 gallons in 24 hours. Butterflies taste with their hind feet and their taste sensation works on touch. This allows them to determine whether a leaf is edible. More science. The speed of light is generally rounded down to 1,86,000 miles per second. In exact terms, it is 299,792,458 meter per second. That is equal to 186 to 287.49 miles per second. 10% of all human beings ever born are alive at this very moment. The earth spins in 1000 miles per hour, but it travels through space at an incredible 67,000 miles per hour. The largest hailstone weighed over 1 kilogram and fell in Bangladesh in 1986. Every second, around 100 lightning bolts strike the earth. Every year, lightning kills 1,000 people. If you could drive your car straight up, you would arrive in space in just over an hour. Human tapeworm can grow up to 22.9 meters. The Earth is 4.56 billion years old, the same age as the moon and sun. Female black widow spiders eat their males after mating. When a flea jumps, the rate of acceleration is 20 times that of a space shuttle during launch. If our sun were just an inch in diameter, the nearest star would be 445 miles away. Astronauts cannot belch. There is no gravity to separate liquid from gas in their stomach. The air in the summit of Mount Everest, 29,029 feet, is only a third as thick as the air at sea level. DNA was first discovered in 1869 by Friedrich Mischler. The molecular structure of DNA was first determined by Watson and Crick in 1953. The first synthetic human chromosome was constructed by US scientists in 1997. The thermometer was invented in 1607 by Galileo. Englishman Roger Bacon invented the magnifying glass in 1250. Wilhelm Röntgen won the first Nobel Prize for Physics by discovering X-rays in 1895. An electric eel can produce a shock of up to 650 volts. Wireless communication took a giant leap forward in 1962 with the launch of Telstar, the first television capable of relaying telephone and satellite TV signals. Giraffes often sleep for only 20 minutes in any 24 hours. They may sleep up to 2 hours in spurts, not all at once. but this is rare. They never lie down. Humans have 46 chromosomes, peas have 14, and crayfish have 200. There are 60,000 miles of human blood vessels in the human body. As an individual blood cell takes only 60 seconds to make a complete circuit of the body. The low frequency of low frequency call of humpback whale is the loudest noise made by a living creature. The call of the humpback whale is louder than Concord and can be heard from 500 miles away. A quarter of the world's plants were threatened with extinction by the year 2010.